Hey, folks, welcome to PawsVo. Today, we're diving into summer fun with a special treat for our furry friends. Watermelon, nature's coolest fruit, is perfect for beating the heat, and people love it. But why not share the joy with our dogs? Let's make them a delicious watermelon beef ice treat. First things first, let's head to the market. We're grabbing a fresh, juicy watermelon and some lean beef. These are the stars of our recipe, so pick the ripest ones you can find. The brighter the watermelon, the sweeter it'll be. Your pups deserve the best. Back home, it's time to get cooking. Start by cutting the beef into small chunks, think bite-sized for easy blending. Next, boil some water and toss those beef pieces in. Let them cook until tender, about 10 to 15 minutes. This keeps it safe and adds a protein punch. Now, let's tackle the watermelon. Slice it open and scoop out the red, edible flesh. Save every juicy bit. Toss it into a blender and whiz it into a smooth juice. The aroma alone is refreshing. Imagine how your dog will love this. With the beef cooked, drain it and let it cool a bit. Then, add those tender chunks to the blender with the watermelon juice. Give it a good mix. Watch the colors blend into a fun, pinkish swirl. It's starting to look like a doggy delight. Here's where the magic happens. Grab some square ice cube molds, perfect for paw-sized treats. Pour that watermelon beef mixture in, filling each slot to the top. Make sure it's even. Every bite should be a balanced treat for your pup. Cover the molds with a lid or plastic wrap to keep it clean. Pop them into the freezer. Let's give it a good 24 hours to freeze solid. Patience is key here, folks, but the wait will be worth it for those happy doggy faces. Fast forward to the next day, time to unveil our creation. Open the freezer and pop out those ice blocks. Look at that, perfect watermelon beef ice treats, ready to cool down your dogs on a hot summer day. Let's bring them to the pups. Watch as they sniff, lick, and chomp down. See how their tails wag? That's pure joy, right there. The cold treat soothes them, and the beef adds a tasty twist they can't resist. But hold on, let's talk safety. Just like us, dogs need to protect their tummies. Don't let them gobble too many ice blocks at once. A couple of pieces are plenty to keep them cool without upsetting their stomachs. Moderation is love. So, there you have it, a simple, homemade way to spoil your dog this summer. From market to freezer, it's all about keeping them happy and healthy. Got a pup at home? Try this recipe and see their delight. Thanks for joining us at PawsVo. If you loved this, hit that like button and subscribe for more pet tips. Have your own cooling ideas for dogs? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear from you.